Hi everyone. My name is Akirtpreet Kaur, and today I'll teach you drawing to scale. So, coming up with this, the first question arises that what does drawing to scale means? A drawing that shows a real object with accurate sizes or enlarged by a certain amount is called a scale. So, for solving these problems, we have to follow some of the steps, and that are the first step is we have to convert the given thing into a unit that is given in the question, which is a scale. So the second step is that we have to multiply the measurements with the scale. The third is that we have to write our measurements as draw the first measurement into the second measurement. So as we are doing the metric, so we have to write it in draw centimeters into dash centimeters. And the fourth step is draw the given item and label it with the original measurements or indicate the scale below or near the drawing. So today we are going to solve the question. So the question is 13 feet and 4 inches into 9 feet and 8 inches. So as we know, it's a huge measurement. So we have to convert it into a scale. The scale is 3.5 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So coming up with the steps, 13 feet into 4 inches into 9 feet and 8 inches. The scale is 3.5 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So first of all, we'll convert it into inches. That is 13 feet into 2 inches. That is 12 inches. As we know, 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So we'll be multiplying the feet with inches to have inches as the last measurement. So it will be 13 feet into 12 inches plus 4 inches into 9 feet into 12 inches plus 8 inches. By solving this, we get 156 inches plus 4 inches into 108 inches plus 8 inches. That is 160 inches into 116 inches. So as we know that the units are not same now, so we have to convert it into centimeters. For converting inches into centimeters, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So we'll be multiplying it by that. So 160 inches into 2.54 centimeters gives us 406.40 centimeters, and 116 inches into 2.54 centimeters gives us 294.64 centimeters. So now we'll be converting it into meters. And we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we'll be dividing the centimeter measurement by 100. And we get 4.0640 meters into 2.9464 meters. So as we know, it is a soft measurement. We need a hard one. So we will be rounding off the measurement for getting an accurate answer. That is, for when rounding, after rounding off this, we get 4.06 meters into 2.95 meters. So now we'll be multiplying the measurements by the scale. That is, we get 4.06 meters into 3.5 centimeters into 2.95 meters into 3.5 centimeters, which gives us 14.2 centimeters into 10.3 centimeters. And after this, we have to write the next step, which is write your measurements as draw 14.2 centimeters into 10.3 centimeters. And our figure should look like this. So now I'll be explaining you that how to draw the given measurements. So first of all, draw the first line with the accurate measurements by a centimeter scale and draw the whole line, and you have to draw two of the sides in a dotted pattern. After that, you also have to write the inch thing and the small measurements. We have to draw them on the line. And after that, we have to write the original measurements by our figure. And after that, we have to indicate our scale over there. So at last, our drawing should look like this, with these small lines here and the dotted ones, and our original measurements should be with our figure, and we have to indicate the scale below or next to our figure. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learn well.